Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
This is Maithili Hajarika bringing to you the Northeast Style, a snapshot of sights, sounds and voices that make the Northeast India's most diverse and most interesting region. An adorable jugaad made by this Mizoram couple to maintain physical distancing has been winning hearts on the internet. The clip shows a woman sitting on a plastic chair in the trailer of a jeep while her husband takes the driver's seat. The couple also waves at the camera before taking off for the facility. Take a look.
Anu, there's a lot on. Oh, and see, well done. Oh, cái đâu đấy? Oh, Apu yeah, miền mấy à? Oh, distancing chắc up, mày.
Earlier this week, Mizoram reported the highest single-day spike of 329 cases, pushing the state's total tally to over 11,000. Aizawl district has been the most affected in the state, followed by Kolasib and Longklai. The state's recovery rate now stands at 73.94%.
Over 30 student groups from the Northeast came together Friday to create what they called a Twitter storm. Their intention was to draw the central government's attention for a chapter on the Northeast in NCERT books.
The idea of a Twitter storm was first initiated by the Northeast Student Union in Vadodara. In less than a week, the concept went viral and student outfits from Nagaland to Arunachal, Sikkim and Tripura joined the campaign. This campaign was especially triggered after a racist comment was passed by a Punjab-based YouTuber called Paras Singh against Arunachal Pradesh MLA Ninon Ering recently. Paras had in his YouTube channel said Erin was a non-Indian. The students who came out in support for the campaign have also said how many of them faced racial slurs at some point or the other in their lives.
For how long do we, the people of Northeast, have to face racism? For how long do we, the people of Northeast, have to feel neglected? And for how long do we, the people of Northeast, have to face an identity crisis, that too in our own country, India? It's high time that we all come together to bring a change, and that change can only be made possible by educating the young minds right from the start, because the youth of today is the future of tomorrow. And what we want is a chapter for Northeast should be made mandatory in the NCERT syllabus, because only by this weapon of education we can put an end to the discrimination happening against the people of Northeast.
The only motive of the Twitter storm is to make place for the 7 sisters and 1 brother, that is the Northeast India in the NCERT textbooks. We just want to humbly appeal to our central authority that our history, our ethnicity, our culture, our lifestyle, our contribution to India's independence, our notable personalities, etc. should get an equal place in the NCERT textbooks. And I'm very happy to announce that more than 20 student organizations from across the length and breadth of the nation and also various state and central universities have given their support for this noble cause. Through this video, I just want to request to you all that let's be a part of this noble cause.
And we will request Ministry of Education to add a mandatory chapter in NCERT. Because from Northeast of India, we humbly believe that through education, the issue of identity which we all Northeastern has to face, the racism can be end. Because Nelson Mandela has once told that education can change anything. And we Northeastern will wholeheartedly believe on that.
Hello and Namaste from Sikkim. Sikkim, the only state in India which is known for organic farming and its organic vegetables. I am Monica Rai, student of Sikkim, and I am in favor of including the chapter of Northeast India in NCERT books. Thank you.
A warm welcome to all from Meghalaya, the land which receives the heaviest rainfall on the earth, the land termed as Scotland of the East. Hi, I'm Sylvie Marvin, a student of Meghalaya, and I'm in the favor of introducing a chapter for Northeast India in NCERT books. Thank you, Kublai Shibun.
Namaskar. For how long we have to be tricked, bamboozled, and discriminated? Therefore, today we Northeast students humbly requesting the Government of India to kindly induct the Northeast chapter in NCERT so that the people will identify the beauty nature of 7 sisters and 1 brother.
Enough of segregation and alienation in our own land. We are also Indian like the rest. And this time we are looking for the practical execution of the term unity in diversity. And for that, acknowledgement of our unique culture, our identity, and our history is the very urgent need of the hour. So do educate people about us, let them know, and let them read about us, because we deserve to be known. It is our appeal to the government of India to hear our cries, because it's now or never. #Northeast Matters.
Media for decades have always talked about our appearance rather than our history, our culture, our identity, and our patriotism. Therefore, the government of India should take initiative in teaching the country our history, our culture, and our identity by finding us a place in the NCERT textbook.
Although years have passed by, racial injustice is still a burden to the people of Northeast India. And we all must accept the fact that our country has much more to do in the area of race relation. Therefore, if India is known by the boundaries of Kashmir in the north, Kerala in the south, Gujarat in the west, and Arunachal Pradesh in the east, then it is also mandatory to find a chapter for Northeast in NCERT textbook so as to eradicate the social evil practices and to educate the citizens of India.
India is growing at its peak, but still the roots of the strong country is not well known by its citizens. It's been long overdue for the whole of Northeast region to be recognized and accepted by the mainland Indians. So the main reason why we are doing this is because we are tired of the discrimination that our brothers and sisters face. We are tired of being treated like an outsider by our own countrymen, and we are tired of living like a stranger in our own country. So it's time to educate the whole India and make us known also, make them aware about the culture and history of the Northeastern region. So we request the government of India to include Northeast region in the NCERT textbook.
For decades, we have been called as Chinese Chinggis or Momos. So now, it's time that racism against the Northeastern should be stopped in this country. And for that, the government of India should take the kind responsibility to include
ट्विटर स्टॉर्म और ये NCERT को इंक्लूड करने का मेन मोटिव ये है कि मतलब रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन इससे इरेडिकेट कम्प्लीटली करेगा बोलते नहीं है, बट वी कैन मिनिमाइज, और या फिर हम लोग और अपना ही नॉलेज को शेयर कर रहा है, अपना ही हिस्ट्री जो डेमोग्राफी है उसको शेयर कर रहा है थ्रू दिस NCERT में जब ये अगर इंक्लूड हो जाएगा तो.
That's all we have for you today in the Northeast Eye. Please do tell us what do you think about this video. Do send in your suggestions and ideas and subscribe to the Prince YouTube channel. This is Maithili Ajarika signing off.